Hi everyone, I'm Daniela and welcome back to Black Cat Kitchen. Today we're making one of my all-time favorite cookies, oatmeal chocolate chip. These cookies have the perfect amount of chew, and I like to pretend they're healthy because of the oatmeal. They are so simple and delicious, so let's jump into the recipe.
You'll find a list of ingredients and measurements in the description below.
Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
To 180 grams or 1.5 cups of flour, add in 6 grams or 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 4 grams or 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 4 grams, 1 teaspoon of salt. Give that a whisk until it's all mixed together. To a mixing bowl, add 227 grams or 1 cup of unsalted softened butter. Start that mixing so that the butter gets nice and soft. Add in 200 grams or 1 cup of brown sugar and 100 grams, half a cup of granulated sugar. You'll want to cream this until it's completely combined. You might have to give it a helping hand with your spatula. To the butter and sugar mix, add in 2 eggs, one at a time, making sure they're completely incorporated before adding in the next. Then in goes 8 grams or 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I'm going to scrape down the bowl before we add in our dry ingredients. I'm gradually adding in my dry ingredients to avoid a mess, but if you're doing this by hand, you can add it all at once. Once the dry ingredients have been added into the butter mix, you'll notice that the dough is still very wet, but we haven't added in our oats yet, so now in goes 240 grams or 3 cups of rolled oats. Make sure to scrape down your paddle if you're using a mixer so that you don't miss out on any of that amazing dough. I'm using 283 grams, about 1 3/4 cups of jumbo chocolate chips, and I like to stir in my jumbo chocolate chips by hand. I'm using a 4 tablespoon cookie scoop because I like my oatmeal chocolate chips extra big, but you'll want to make sure to leave enough space on your baking tray so that they can spread. You can make these using a 2 tablespoon scoop as well, or even just 2 tablespoons, scooping the dough out and dropping it onto your tray. And into the oven.
These are going to bake for 10 to 12 minutes until the edges are golden. But if you made really big ones like me, you might need to tack on an extra minute or 2.
They're beautifully golden, they smell delicious, and I cannot wait to dig in.
Let these cool slightly, if you can, and enjoy with a big glass of milk. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've missed any of my Christmas cookies so far, check out days 1 through 8 in my Christmas cookie playlist here. And make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more. See you tomorrow! Will we see them tomorrow, Gordon?